Today we're looking at a 2018 Nissan Rogue. Customer called and said that the first thing in the morning the vehicle was a little sluggish to start. They stopped at the gas station and then it wouldn't start. They had it towed in, and based on their description we thought maybe it had a bad battery. As you can see here, there is a little bit of corrosion around the positive terminal that could impede the battery connection. We always, once we replace a battery, we clean that up, make sure everything is good so it's got a good contact. Interesting fact is that hot weather is actually harder on a battery than cold weather. We are starting to see a lot more battery failures in the summertime due to higher temperatures, that type of thing going on. Not only do we recommend getting a battery test in the fall heading into cold weather, but we'd also like to get your vehicle in the spring and do a battery test to make sure it's going to be ready for you when you need it. Went ahead and hooked up our battery testing machine to it, which is the Snap-on DTAC. It's a very sophisticated machine that puts the battery through a bunch of different tests to verify whether it's good or not. The DTAC machine indicated that the battery was bad. You can see from the printout here where it measured versus what it should have for your cold cranking amps. The nice thing is we are now able to offer AAA batteries when we do our battery replacements, which gives the customer a 3-year free replacement and then an additional 3 years prorated on their warranty, and that is nationwide. So if you have a vehicle that's struggling to start or maybe doesn't seem quite right, please feel free to give us a call. We do offer a free battery test. Thanks for watching the video, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.